So welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is PD array strategy. What I say? PD array strategy. Now, I'm going to use this strategy as a day trader. I'll use swing method, swing trading. So I'm going to do it in form of day, 4 hours, and 1 hour entry. But if you want to do the day trading, that's the scalping, you can do 1 day, 1 hour, 15 minutes, or 4 hours, 1 hour, 15 minutes. It all depends on you. But I'm going to show you how to use PD array strategy. Like, it will make you see the market in a different way entirely. I want to show you that and how to do it. Now, starting on 1 day. On 1 day chart, I can see here there is a break of structure, internal one here. I'll start with the first one. Is there a mitigation block? No. Liquidity void, I would say it's almost filled up already, or the fair value gap almost filled up. Breaker block, no. Order block, we do have an order block here that was created for it to create our break of structure. Rejection block, no. Old highs and old lows, we have an old low that has to be taken out from here. I come down to my 4 hours. I always tell you, always carry this guide. You can write it down in a book and bio for your own good. Now, don't forget your Fibonacci. Your Fibonacci is your king in any analysis you are doing. Fibonacci is key. Now you come back to this guide again. Don't forget your premium and your discount. And as I'm looking at the chart now, market is around premium. This zone was marked from 1 day. Have it at the back of your mind. Now on the premium, I'll start with the basics so you don't get confused. Is there a mitigation block? No. Is there a liquidity void? No. Is there a fair value gap? On the premium, I'm seeing two zones for fair value gap. I'm seeing here also in the premium zone, and I'm also seeing here also in the premium zone. You can see that, right? And this is also 1 hour order block. Is there a breaker block? This is a breaker block, but I don't want to make my chart rough because you can see markets came around there, reacted. See this candle? There was a reaction in this breaker block zone. Markets came to react in it. And also there was also a shift here also. So I'll be conscious of the fair value gap under here, but we're getting there. I'll show you. Now on 1 hour, I want to show you how this strategy is fun to use. Let me show you. Okay, so now we're going to 1 hour chart. This is how I do my analysis. On 1 hour, I can see that market has shifted here. Market got to the higher time frame zone. Fair value gap here. Market what? Market shifted and broke a swing point. Right? And broke a swing point. Then you come back again with those same rules you see here. You bring it down. Now the question you ask yourself, is there a mitigation block? No. Is there liquidity void? No. Is there a fair value gap from my premium to my discount? No. Is there a breaker block? Yes, there's a breaker block around here, but it's still under the discount. So I'll be very conscious of that zone also. Is there an order block? Yes, we have an order block. Is there an old low? Yes, we have an old low here. Now, if you want to be a swing trader, you can just take the trade from there, wait for market to enter that zone, and take your trade. I've taken my first profits. This is how we do swing trading. It is very easy for me. But if you want to be a scalper or all those day traders, you can come down to 15 minutes again just to refine your entry. Wait for market to get to that zone, and your entry will be around here. And you put your stop loss around here. For those that are doing day trading, you put your stop loss around here, day trading, and you go to a higher time frame of 1 hour. You can target here as your take profit, but me, I'll be conscious around here because of this swing point here. I'll be conscious around there, and you can get a 1 to 11 trade also. And you can see this amazing trade, right? So using this whole guide to analyze the charts can change how you see the market entirely. Just use the guide on how you analyze the markets. Your Fibonacci should be your best friend on how you analyze the market. Your Fibonacci from the high to the low or the low to the high, either in a bullish or a bearish scenario, that's the market condition. And I can prove to you that it will change entirely how you view and how you analyze the market. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Ask your questions on the comment sections, and I'll try my best to reply all questions one by one to my capacity. Don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you very much.